Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SCPT Network token. Ticker symbol is SCPT. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 20th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, with television progressively turning into a cord-cutting digital experience, SCPT.TV is focused on delivering a unique industry-defining experience using blockchain technology. Although there are multiple options to consume content globally, SCPT.TV is the first to bring live television to the blockchain, with on-chain rewards through NFTs, gifts, and tokens by watching content every hour. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. I was just looking at their BSC scan, and they don't even have any, basically any holders. They only have 9 holders so far, so it looks like this token is hot off the press, brand new, and it looks like tomorrow is going to be their initial listing date, period. And right now there is a max total supply of 1 billion SCPT tokens, and there is 18 decimal places on this token. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 20th, 10 o'clock UTC time. The SCPT Network token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SCPT, and then simply just buy the token. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. Their Twitter is doing insanely well, almost 200,000 followers. They have 197,000 followers at SCPT_network, blue verified checkmark, almost 2,200 tweets, doing insanely well here. And they might be getting other listings as well. Looks like they're getting a KuCoin listing tomorrow as well, around the same time. So Mexc Global and KuCoin seem to be the two big, really big central exchange listings tomorrow. There's probably going to be more as well. But those are two big, listings to get right off the bat. I mean, they're already a huge project with almost 200,000 Twitter followers, so you would expect that they would be getting big listings like this. Now, also their Telegram you can find at SCPT Network ANN, and that is short for announcement. So that's their announcement channel with new updates. That's what their Twitter is going to be about too, obviously new updates and stuff like that. You can find their webpage at token.script.tv, and they have a full white paper you can find at whitepaper.script.tv as well. So maybe their webpage is specifically about the token here. Probably their whole webpage is at script.tv. Let me see if that works here. So if you just put in script.tv, then you get SCPT Network's actual webpage. Where you could actually use the product. I'm not sure if it's fully available yet, what version it's in, but that's where you could find all the info. But their white paper is going to have even more info. So SCPT.TV is a decentralized video delivery network that furnishes an expansive range of blockchain-enabled solutions to the problems related with the traditional video streaming sector. The platform offers high-quality video streaming as well as multiple incentive mechanisms for decentralized bandwidth and content sharing at a reduced cost as compared to conventional service providers. Script Network is the leading video delivery network powered by blockchain tech. Script Network allows users to simultaneously watch video content and earn token rewards for relaying video to other users who are also watching the same content. In the same vein as others sharing economy models, users opt in to volunteering their spare bandwidth and computing resources to relay video to other users and earn token rewards for their contributions. Users can contribute to Script Network on any PC or server. For video platforms, integrating Script Network into their video delivery stack enables them to reduce video delivery costs, deepen viewer engagement, and drive incremental revenues by spending less on video delivery infrastructure and more on rewarding their users. Script-enabled video platforms can grow their user base and gain more market share. So the Script blockchain is a purpose-built blockchain designed for video and data relaying from the ground up. So it looks like they also have this blockchain in the works. Script's unique multi-BFT consensus design combines a committee validator nodes with a second layer of community-run validator nodes. So validator nodes propose and produce new blocks in the chain, while Lightning nodes seal blocks and act as a check on malicious and non-functional validator nodes. The Script blockchain mainnet enables the support of Turing-complete smart contracts. Smart contracts open up a new set of user experiences and attribution models for dApps built on the Script network. So in addition to the validator and Lightning nodes, the Script community members also host the Script node, which forms the Script Network, a fully decentralized network for data delivery and more generally computing. This new fully decentralized technology stack adds the ability to capture live video, transcode it in real time, cache and relay live stream video data to users globally, all through Script's P2P network run by thousands of community members. Not a single central server or service is used in this pipeline. This is a huge challenge and huge accomplishment. The Script token is the governance token of the Script protocol. So they're working on the blockchain, and then this is the token if you want to have voting rights and stuff like that. So if you stake the token as a validator and Lightning nodes, contributing to block production and protocol governance of the Script network by staking and running a node, users will earn a proportional amount of the new SCPT generated. The supply of SCPT is fixed at 1 billion and will never increase. SCPT is used for on-chain operations like payments for relayers, for sharing a video stream, or for deploying or interacting with smart contracts. Relayers earn SCPT for every video stream they relay to other users on the network. So if you want to review all the information of how each one of those individual things work, you can check it all out at whitepaper.script.tv. But in a nutshell, this is the governance token. They have this, TV streaming, whatever you want to call it, this new age type of blockchain streaming. Available coming soon, and you'll be able to use all these things within the ecosystem. You can be a validator node, all that type of stuff. Check it all out. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box if you don't have an Mexc global account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.